Okay, let's unbox this OPPO Bubble for everyone. The Chinese translation is OPPO Bubble. It's actually a smart electronic screen, the legendary electronic 8GB electronic badge. Let's unbox it for everyone to see. The whole box is still very light and small, feels like there's nothing inside like a toy, but the electronic 8GB should count as a toy. Here, cut. It feels like a large AirTag. Below here is a Type-C charging port, positioned a bit lower. Hey, let's take a look inside this accessory box. Oh, there's a magnetic sticker, a magnetic ring, and inside there's also a protective case and a keychain. It's roughly like this. You have to manually align it. Manually align this hole, which is a bit amusing. This should be aligned now, right? Still no power. It's obvious that it supports MagSafe, so it comes with a magnetic sticker. Okay, we've charged it now. It's like a watch operating system. Let's pair it with the latest Reno 16 Pro. It will pop up, really just like a watch. Connect. This really resembles the interaction logic of a watch. It's not just an electronic badge, it can even remotely control the camera to take photos. Okay, over here, its default app allows you to change different wallpapers. Oh, you can also download different cute pets, and it can even serve as an electronic pet. Download one. A single click can also switch its loop mode. Here's its main function, the electronic badge. Then it also supports magnetic attachment, but currently our Reno doesn't have a magnetic ring, so we can only use an iPhone to demonstrate. Oh, actually it's quite tight. It won't fall off even if you shake it vigorously, but it's also easy to take off. It's more recommended to use this protective case with the keychain, so hanging it somewhere is more stable than the magnetic attachment. Alright, that's about it. What do you all think of this thing?